So ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin ay mag-tutorial tayo ng kung paano gagamitin ang Excel, Word, Excel 1, Excel. So dito tayo sa tutorial. Hindi pa ako marunong guys, pero ito try natin dahil meron tayong take a tour. So ito yung nakalagay dito. Welcome to Excel provided by Microsoft Corporation. If you've always wanted to be better at Excel, and Excel notes templates will help you get there. Take this Excel tour and in 10 easy steps. You will have the skills you need to make the most of the application. You will welcome to Excel tutorial starts with simple functions like adding numbers and automatically filling cells, then gradually introduces you to more involved operations. This Excel notes template applies to Excel 2013 and 2016 for Windows. Even if you think you're a pro at Excel, take a tour. You may be surprised how much you learn. This is an accessible template. So, create tayo. And then, take a tour. Ayan. Yung nakalagay. So, let's go. So, nakukuha nyo ba? So, select the yellow cell under the amounts of fruits. Andito tayo sa yellow cells. Ayan yung yellow cells. So, nakikita nyo ba? And then, type sum. Ang kapilian dito is type sum D4, D7, and then press enter. When you're done, you'll see the result of 170. Here, another way to add using the shortcut key. Select the yellow cell under the amounts for meat. And then press Alt. So ito lang yung pipiliin natin guys. Press Alt. And then equals first. Then press Enter. So dito tayo para madali. Kasi mag-type pa doon yung isay. So ayan. So press tayo dito sa ating keyboard ng Alt. So hindi ko na ipapakita dahil yung camera ko is nandito. Alt. Then equals. Ayan, tapos enter, di ba? Press enter. O, ayan na yung number, ayan na yung total niya. So, nakikita nyo ba? Total na siya. So, dito din, ganun pa rin. Press alt lang tayo. Then, equals. Then, enter. O, ayan. Ganyan lang pala yung sa Excel. Nagpa-practice pa kasi ako eh. Hindi ko pa alam kasi to. Kasi hindi naman nagagamit yung sa company namin dahil nandun yung isang kasamahan ko si Dale. So, marunong siya nun. And then, alt, then equals, then enter. So, dito naman, now, nakita nyo ba to? Ito. Now, add only the numbers over 50. Select the last yellow. Type. Ito, i-type natin to siya. So, taas-taas tong ating i-type. Ang dami ng i-type natin dito. So, equals, equals, and then capital letter S U M I F, and then open parentheses, tapos capital letter D 11, na small na maynuan, D, tapos 11, tapos kanang tuldok-tuldok, dalawang tuldok, and then D, capital letter D, and then 15, and then comma, and then bakit ka na aning gawas, comma, tapos kana sa babaw, tapos kana greater o sana less than ba na greater. Ayan, and then 50, tapos ganyan, kulit-kulit, kuhit-kuhit. Anong tawag dyan? And then press enter. So ang lalabas, ayan siya yung lumabas, 100 kasi yung niya dito, the result is 100. So okay na tayo dito. So next step tayo. So, next step tayo. So, ayan. So, dito ay tinuturuan tayo, save time by filing cells automatically. Here's how to use the filing handle in Excel. Click the cell with the number 100. So, i-click natin to. Tapos, merong plus dito na nakalagay. And then, rest your cursor down on the lower right corner of the cell until it becomes 100. So, ganyan lang guys. So, ayan. O, see, nag-fill up siya. So, yung total nila, yung kanyang inansiran. And then, dito naman tayo sa may click the cross and drag down 100 cell. So, dito tayo dito. So, ganun lang din. And then, ang cross, tapos imo lang isibog dito. See? Ang dali lang. Ang dali lang, di ba? So, dito, David, try natin to. So, ganyan lang pala, guys, sa Excel. See? Perfect! Hala, tingnan natin yung next step. Next step tayo. Ano na ba yan? Parang mahirap na to. In the cells under first name, type the first name that are in the email column, Nancy, Andy, and so on. So, dito naman tayo sa type the first name daw in the email column. So, for example, type Nancy to. Type tayo ng Nancy. So, Nancy. And then, sunod, Nancy, Andy, and so on. And then, sunod. When you see the faded list of suggestion, press enter. Faded lists. Enter right away. Enter. So, enter. Ayan. Dito na naman tayo. So, Andy. Hindi ko alam kung anong patutunguhan nito. Enter. So, ganyan lang pala. And then, si John. Enter. John, enter. Tapos, si Maria, enter. Tapos, si Yvonne, then enter. Tapos, anong susunod? Enter, and then this list of suggestion is called flash fill. Flash fill the text when you type consistent pattern and provide suggestion to fill the cells with. When you see the faded list that your cue to press enter. No, wala man lagi. Last name. For example, dito. So, may ilang kuan. Smith. So, dito, North. For example, North. Try another way. Click the cell with Smith. Tapos, enter North day. Try natin to siya, guys. What happened to you? So, ganyan lang siya with click the cell with Smith. For example, click the cell with Smith. Tapos, click home fill, flash fill. Now the last name are in their own column. Saan ni siya? Click the drag. Wait lang ha, kay murag wala ako nagka. Good to know. Control is the short or flash fill. For example, ito. Ay, dili na siya pwede. Mali. Ikaw mali. Parang lahirag style. La? Control plus E. Control. Tapos, plus, may plus daan eh. Inana pala siya. Ganyan. So, ganyan lang. Okay na. Tapos, dito naman tayo, guys. Click the drag to select the cells from Nancy all the way down to Yvonne. So, click the drag. Paano ba? Ganyan? Parang, ano lang. Click the drag to select the cells from Nancy all the way to Yvonne. On the data tab, click text column. Make sure the delimited is selected and then click next. So, alam ko na guys kung paano. Smith, Control, plus, E, Enter. Wala? Hindi man. Smith, tapos, Control, plus, E. Okay, ayan na siya. Wala palang Enter. And then, dito naman, Contoso. Wala? Contoso LTD. Tapos, Control, plus, E, wala. True. Control, plus, bakit? Wala siya. Kay wrong spelling. Baka kaano. Control, plus, bakit? So, ito yung igatingog. Control, plus, ganyan. Ayan lang pala siya, guys. So, ayan na pala, guys. Pero ang dami pa nating dapat matutunan sa next na naman yan siya. So, ayan. So, sana may natutunan kayo kahit hindi ako masyadong, hindi pa ko pa talaga marunong nito kaya nag-practice ako. So, dinamay ko lang kayo. So, that's all, guys. Thank you.